Hello, teacher and parents. My name is Juan Sebastián Mendoza. I am 39 years old. I am from Bogota, and I have lived since I was born. My house is in the Parkway, near to the downtown of the city. I like my wife, my two sons, and my two pets, a dog and a cat. I am studying environmental engineering at the UNAT University. Also, I am working in landfill Doña Juana. Following in share with you my contribution to the final activity. This photography refers to the Colón Theater in Bogota City. It has an area of 2,500 square meters with a neoclassic Toscan style. It was designed and built by Pietro Contini architect. It started the construction at October 5 of 1885. It was inaugurated at October 12 of 1893 to the commemoration of the 400 years of the discovery of America. It has a capacity of 900 people. And it is a national monument. I visited this place in 2018 to the Colombian Musical Festival. It was an amazing place because it's a beautiful architect and it is a very delicate details. This place is very special. Of the rough Tijaira beautiful and wonderful paints. Look, I recommended to visit this place. Many thanks, teacher and parents. Bye.